Hi, everyone. I promise I'm working on some architecture and design related content for you, and I'm not becoming a nail polish exclusive channel. But I was gifted this box of random Dusties yesterday in an old cigar box. I have not opened this or looked into it at all. I don't know what goodies are in here, but let's explore together and I'll go live later and see what I can swatch. Okay, obviously, this one is a lipstick and not a nail polish. It's in the shade Hot Coral. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, this amazing green shade by LA Colors. I'm actually wearing LA Colors right now as well. Another LA Colors in the shade Blast. Here's a random cute dusty nail art. I didn't expect to see a Zoya in here, and I wouldn't be surprised if I'm the one who first gave this to her. This is in the shade Mini. Another random dusty new color, which I've literally never heard of this brand. I guess the shade is 980. Okay, this one is so random and weird, and I have to be honest, I don't like it when brands make these weird nail polish caps, handles. If anyone knows anything about this, like what it could be, let me know. Good old Sally Hansen in That's a Blazing. Another Sally Hansen, a vintage Sally Hansen, in what I would describe as a pretty hideous shade. I think I saw some. Yes, Paprika Frost. I thought Paprika was red. This pretty cool Essie called No Place Like Chrome. I don't know if this is a topper or like a solo polish. Another Insta Dry in the shade Slick Slate. Ugh, I hate that name. I hate this color. Another Zoya, and I wonder if this one is meant to be, well, it says matte velvet, and the name is, I don't know how you say this in English, Eve. Honestly, I'm sorry to say it. Zoya annoys me with their names. Look at this little cutie by Fantasy Makers. I love Wet n Wild. Speaking of, here's another Wet n Wild. Another random drugstore dusty. Anybody remember these petites? R.I.P. Sinful Colors. I loved you so much. These are 2 bottles of a color called Thistleberry. By the way, I found this random ring in here. It doesn't really fit me, but I like it. Essie Partners in Crime. Not a fan. Pretty sure this skull bottle came from the Dollar Tree because I also have a skull bottle in a different shade from the Dollar Tree. Another great LA Colors. I think this one is animated. Great shade. And the last 2 polishes are vintage L'Oreal's. Not a fan of these shades. The red is kind of fun. But best of all, I see that there are these beautiful nail stickers, including multiple unicorns and a squished tennis ball. What is that? Anyways, let me know your thoughts. I'll be going to open these bottles and see what needs to be revived or not later today on live.